Well, Andy, the fire department tells us the ambulance was actually headed to a car crash about 5 blocks from here. And you can take a look. It flipped on its side after it was T-boned. And right now you can see crews are working to tow that ambulance. Now, if you take a look over to my right, you'll see another tow truck. That is the Escalade that firefighters say that hit the ambulance, which made it turn. But you could take a look here at Main and Defee. There's a lot of debris, even the front bumper of that Escalade. Now, take a look at this video from Sky 2. We're told there were 2 paramedics inside the ambulance. They were sitting up front. They are in stable condition. An intern as well as a dispatch trainee, they were in the back and they were flown to Memorial Hermann Hospital by Life Flight, and we are told that they are in stable condition now too. Now, the crash happened about 9:15 this morning in front of Jack's Antiques and Collectibles. The owner says he was inside his business when the crash happened.
It sounded like a train hitting a vehicle. I mean, it was loud, you know, and it sounded like whatever was coming inside our store.
Now, when it comes to that Escalade, which is passing right by us here, you can take a look right behind my photographer as it's heading out of here so it can clear up the road. We're told it was a mother and her kids that were inside that vehicle. They are okay. Reporting live from Baytown, Sophia Bosley, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Sophia.